Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Shekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, view functions in Django framework. The major role how we are going to presenting a clean design view form in user's browser that is designed by using the view page. How it would be. See the video session. Watch it.
Hi, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to discussing about view functions in Django framework. In view, we have to create a function which the user request. Based on the user request, what he is requesting the page, based on the user request, we need to populate the particular page. That the requirement we need to implement based on the methods we are going to be implement in the views.py module. We will see here how it would be. The views is basically the function is called by Django when the user is navigating a particular page. Standardly, we can say that. All right. Now see, under the project, the products package is here under the PyShop page. Under the products, like we have created in the app, under this there is a views.py, that is a module is here, and here we need to write that index method. Like definition of the function, we can call it as an index of request. What is the user is requesting? We need to catch the request over here, and what we need to return. But basically, the user will calls HTTP request from the browser. It will comes from the HTTP request. For that, we need to import from the Django framework like a HTTP Django dot HTTP HTTP from the HTTP package. We need to import the response like a HTTP response method. Like import space HTTP response. This particular method we are going to be calling from the Django package and HTTP Django framework HTTP package. There is a called library which is an HTTP response method we are using to returning the HTTP request. Now see here HTTP response, straight away we can call the method of what is the response we are going to providing to the user. Hello world, or else you can type hello products, anything you can add it. Okay, and creating your views. This is the way, is a simple technique to create the view. All right, first the user is hitting this particular products, and you can able to see the message of hello world. All right, yep, this is the text. Instead of this, you can write hello products, hello something as you wish to populate a message, you can type over here. All right, and in the next session we will see how to map these particular views and URLs and presenting to the web browser.
I hope it will be useful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more information regarding these sessions, my contact details are available at description below. Thank you.